Hello everybody, welcome back to If Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So if you're new here, remember to hit the subscription button as we head to 2000 subscribers. Enjoy the video.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about.
So today I'm going to be showcasing a very simple bed sitter that is going for 7,500 shillings. The location of this bedsitter is in KASARANI. It's a newly built bedsitter containing units that are going for 7,500 and 8,000 shillings. So the one that I'll be showcasing today is for 7,500.
Let's talk about. I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about.
So you have your window here.
Let's talk about.
That's your kitchen space. So you've just been provided with a storage space for the kitchen. And from here you can see a tarmac road. So let's just have a look at the curtain rods before I show you the tarmac road that is passing just at the front of the building.
Talk about. Talk about love. Let's talk about. Love.
So right over there is a tarmac road passing at the front of the building.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want. Hear me now. I do what I want.
The bedsitters of this building have shared balcony on this end, so you can hang your clothes here or at the rooftop, because there is a provision for
Are you ready
hanging your clothes at the rooftop.
now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real.
So the whole apartment is bedsitter from top to bottom.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want. Hear me now. Watch me go.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and most importantly hit the subscription button as we head to 2,000 subscribers. Bye bye and see you on my next video.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you like? La 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 love. Let's talk about let's talk about love. Let's talk about la 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 love. Let's talk about I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all.